Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Yeah, today I am going to discuss about the topic. Already I have started the lesson, cell, its structure and functions. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the plant cell. Okay, this is a plant cell. Okay, diagram, this is called plant cell. This is plant cell. Okay, cell is the basic fundamental and structural unit of life. Without cell there is no life. Every life contains n number of cells in the body. Okay, let's come to know that here today we are going to discuss about the plant cell. Okay, plant cell. I am going to complete this within short minutes. Okay, let's discuss. Okay, this is a typical plant cell. Here cell contains the organelles. Okay, cell contains the organelles. Let's see what are the organelles which are present in plant cell. Okay, this is called endoplasmic reticulum ER and the mitochondria and the Golgi apparatus, and this is called chloroplast, and this is called cell wall, this is called vacuole, and this is called nucleus. Okay, typical plant cell contains those organelles. Okay, today now we are going to discuss about the first. We'll start from the cell wall. Okay, cell wall. Cell wall is bounded by cell. Cell wall is present or it is bounded by a cell. Cell wall gives structure and shape to the cell. Cell wall gives structure and shape to the cell, and cell wall protects the cell. Okay, this is about the cell wall. Now let's come to know about the nucleus. Okay, let's come to the nucleus. Nucleus is a center part which is present in a cell. Nucleus is a center part which is present in a cell. What is the function of nucleus? Nucleus controls the cell body. Nucleus controls the cell body, like our brain controls ourselves. Same in this way, nucleus controls the cell body. Okay, now nucleus function is completed. Let's come to know about the endoplasmic reticulum. ER, shortcut we can call ER, endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? Okay, endoplasmic reticulum, the main function of the endoplasmic reticulum is endoplasmic reticulum helps to move from one place to another place within the cell body. Endoplasmic reticulum helps to move from one place to another place within the body. We can say that purpose of transportation. Okay, this is called about endoplasmic reticulum. Now let's come to know about the mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. We can call mitochondria is also powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. The energy which is present in the cell, that is present within the mitochondria. Energy is hidden within the mitochondria. So that's what we can call mitochondria is powerhouse of the cell. Okay, next let's go to the chloroplast. Okay, already I have explained you. Chloroplast is the green color pigment which is present in a plant. Okay, plant leaves are green in color due to the presence of chloroplast. We can call chloroplast also chlorophyll. Okay, this is chloroplast. Now let's come to know the Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi apparatus is present after the cell wall. Golgi apparatus present after the cell wall. The main function of the Golgi apparatus is it combines or pack the food material together. If Golgi apparatus packs food material, the endoplasmic reticulum transports the food material within the cell body. Last final we have vacuole. Okay, this vacuole gives the strength to the cell. Okay, this is about the plant cell. Students, let's continue the lesson typical animal cell. Okay, same way here, only the difference is plant cell contains cell wall and here animal cell contains plasma membrane. Okay, this is the main difference, and here chloroplast is absent. In animal cell chloroplast is absent, in plant cell chloroplast is present. Okay, let's continue. Let's see let's go to the typical animal cell. Here from the center we can start. Here there is a nucleus. I already said you that nucleus is present in the center of the cell body. What is the function of nucleus? Nucleus controls entire body. Which body? Cell body. Nucleus is the control unit of cell body. Okay, it contains DNA material in it. Okay, now let's come to know that plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane is the covering layer. Plasma membrane is the covering layer which is bounded by animal cell. It protects the cell organelles which are present in the cell body. Okay, what are the cell organelles here? Endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria and Golgi apparatus, and these are the nucleus. These are the cell organelles which are present in a typical animal cell. Okay, let's come to know that endoplasmic reticulum. The function of the endoplasmic reticulum is for the purpose of transportation. It can transport the food material within a cell from one place to another place. Okay, the substance which is present within the cell body, which we can call cytoplasm. We can call it is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a fluid which is present in a cell body. It is almost present all the cell body. Overall the cell body, this cytoplasm is present. Okay, it having the smooth nature. The nature of the cytoplasm is very smooth. Okay, the smoothness helps to travel easily from one place to another place, which helps in transportation purpose. Endoplasmic reticulum. Now let's come to the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus, already I said, it helps in the combining or binding the food particles. Next, mitochondria, same as well as mitochondria is also called powerhouse of the cell. It contains power. Mitochondria contains power. So we can call powerhouse of the cell. This is about the animal